coming right next door to Islands of Adventure, right where the NBA City location used to be, comes Toothsome Chocolate Factory in Savory Feast Emporium. Kind of a long name, I'm just gonna call it Chocolate Factory. Opening later this year, the 19th century inspired Steampunk Chocolate Factory. And even though the main focus is chocolate, obviously, or it being a dessert restaurant, there will be regular food served, and they have a wide variety of food, and an all-day brunch, which is kind of interesting. But diving a little more into the details, they're going to be doing crepes and quiches. I guess I'm the only one out there that it's not really enthusiastic about this place. It just seems like the dessert is more the main focus of it. I know lots of people on Twitter were loving it, and they just couldn't wait to try all the options. I mean, to me, right now with City Walk, there's not too many options that you really care to go eat at. Hard Rock is great, NBC is pretty good, but a little pricey. And this is just one of those locations that I'm sure to try at least once or twice, but I'm not going to keep going back often probably. I'm also wondering, when this restaurant opens, what's going to happen to Cold Stone Creamery, or the yogurt place, or even Cowfish. And also remember that Cowfish serves hand-spun milkshakes for $6. They look pretty good. Also, it's kind of a shame that Universal couldn't use the rights of Willy Wonka, in it being kind of a Willy Wonka chocolate factory. I think that would have been better in my opinion. But anyway, that's it. What are your thoughts? Leave them down in the comment section, and thanks for watching.